You will be amazed by this 2019 Audi e-tron GT. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This athletic e-tron GT offers all the advantages of EV efficiency without compromising one iota of luxury or performance. From its premium interior to its silky acceleration and all-wheel drive grippiness, this stylish sedan satisfies your hunger for driving pleasure. Don't miss the chance to drive this stunning e-tron GT. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.